So I've got this cheap AliExpress DRL controller. So it's basically a relay. I'm going to splice this in between the car battery and the daytime running lights. This relay will trigger power when the voltage is above 13 or so volts, and it will turn it off when the voltage is below 12.8 volts, roughly. This is so the daytime running lights will turn on when the car's ignition is turned on, because the alternator is charging the battery and, you know, all that jazz. This was very cheap, I think around $5 Australian. So we'll wire this up to test it. So as you can see, the daytime running lights are on. This yellow cable is spliced into the headlights, so when you turn the headlights on, this one will, there's two different models you can get. One turns off the daytime running lights and one dims the daytime running lights. I can't remember which one I bought. Does it say on the label? It turns it off completely. So if I wire this into the headlights, this relay will turn off my daytime running lights. So I'm just going to check. This is at 13.5 volts. I'm just going to lower it to 12.6 or 12.8 just to see whether it turns off. So 12. Let's go 12.6. Whoop, not 126. Back. Enter. Still on, so let's try 12 volts. Still on. Oh no, turns off. So there's a delay, so it does turn off. Alright, so there's two holes. There's two clips. One up there. One there, which I've broken. And then there's a screw there. Once you do that, we can get access to there, and you can see the tabs that you need to push. So I have to put the camera down and use my hand to push this out, but that's my access. And there we go, it's out. There are 4 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So before I even do this, I'm going to remove the air box because I'm fitting that duct into the fog light. So MAF air intake air temperature sensor connector out. Undo this clamp, and then we're going to take it out. And then we're going to remove this little intake part. This has 2 bolts. As you can see, air comes in through this thing. So we're going to fit a tube down from that to the fog light. Okay. So this is the stock air intake box with the intake pipe. We've removed that. So when that sits in the engine bay, it's going to suck in air from the bit around the radiator fan, and this is where we're going to plumb. Look at that, perfect fit. We'll wrestle that on, get the right angle, and yeah, plumb that into the air duct. So I fed the tubing through here, as you can see, comes up, and it will connect to the airbox. So let's get to it. There you go. The airbox in. So our tube there, and now I've run the cable through here. So we're going to do the second side. This goes to the battery, and this is what it looks like there. Onto the other side. 4 clips, push it out, get this one in. I'm not going to wire in the fog light today, but I will wire it with a switch in the dashboard. For now, I'm just going to plug that into that and then be done, and we'll have some daytime running lights.